In this video, you will learn exactly how to build an exceptional bank rating for your business. Bank credit is the total amount of borrowing capacity a business can obtain from the banking system. How much credit a business can obtain is mostly determined based on that business's bank rating. This rating is the average minimum balance maintained in the business bank account over a 3-month period. The main goal should be to maintain a minimum low 5 bank rating. Without at least a low 5 rating, most businesses will not be approved for bank credit. Let's take a closer look at the actual bank rating scale. A high 5 rating means the business bank account balance ranges from $70,000 to $99,999. A mid-5 rating reflects an account balance of $40,000 to $69,999. A low 5 bank rating means the business bank account balance ranges from $10,000 to $39,000. A high 4 rating reflects a bank balance of $7,000 to $9,999. A mid-4 rating reflects a bank balance of $4,000 to $6,999. A low 4 rating reflects a balance of $1,000 to $3,999. Business owners should do whatever they can to keep at least $10,000 in their account over a 90-day period. It is also essential that a business has little to no non-sufficient fund charges reflected on their bank statements. For a positive bank rating, the cash coming in and going out of a company's bank account should reflect a positive cash flow. A business owner must also make regular deposits to maintain a positive bank rating. Bank credit is also based on the age of the account, the bank products the business uses, and any savings account or investments the business has. Having a good bank rating is essential with securing bank financing. Ensure you keep your bank balance average over 3 months as high as you can, preferably $10,000. Ensure your account doesn't go negative and you incur non-sufficient fund charges, as these will destroy your bank rating. Take advantage of and use other bank services your bank offers, such as CDs, savings accounts, and other investment accounts. Open your bank account when your corporation starts and leave it open, as this longevity will help your bank rating. Make consistent deposits on a regular basis, and ensure each month you have good cash flow through your account by regularly putting into the account more money than you take out. Taking these steps will ensure you have an exceptional bank rating. An exceptional bank rating means your business will have a great chance of being approved for bank financing, including loans, credit lines, and credit cards. Contact us today to help build an exceptional bank rating for your business. In this video,